Colva Beach is a popular tourist destination located in the southern part of Goa, India. It is a long stretch of white sand beach dotted with palm trees and surrounded by lush greenery. The beach is about 2.4 kilometers long and is known for its scenic beauty and tranquil atmosphere. Visitors can enjoy a variety of activities at Colva Beach, such as swimming, sunbathing, and taking long walks along the shoreline. There are also many beach shacks and restaurants where visitors can enjoy delicious Goan cuisine and refreshing drinks. The beach is very famous for its nightlife, with many bars and clubs offering live music and entertainment. The beach also has a rich cultural heritage, with many historic churches and temples located nearby. Overall, Colva Beach is a beautiful and relaxing place to visit, with something to offer for everyone. Whether you're looking to soak up the sun, enjoy the nightlife, or explore the local culture, Colva Beach is definitely worth a visit.